Helicopter. Helicopter. The helicopter is flying over the city. Jet. Jet. The jet travels across countries very fast. Hot air balloon. Hot air balloon. We watched the hot air balloon rise in the sky. Submarine. Submarine. The submarine dives deep into the ocean. Metro. Metro. I take the metro to work every day. Airplane. Airplane. The airplane lands at the airport on time. Kayak. Kayak. We paddled the kayak on the river. Wheelbarrow. Wheelbarrow. He carries bricks with a wheelbarrow. Train. Train. The train arrives at the station every morning. Tram. Tram. The tram stops at every street corner. Monorail. Monorail. The monorail goes above the city streets. Glider. Glider. He learned to fly a glider in summer. Spaceship. Spaceship. The spaceship traveled to the moon. Space Shuttle. Space Shuttle. The Space Shuttle launched into space successfully. Boat. Boat. We rented a boat to cross the lake. Ship. Ship. The ship is sailing across the ocean. Canoe. Canoe. We paddled the canoe quietly on the river. Sailboat. Sailboat. The sailboat moves with the wind. Fishing boat. Fishing boat. The fishing boat returns with fresh fish. Cruise ship. Cruise ship. We enjoyed our vacation on a cruise ship. Cargo ship. Cargo ship. The cargo ship carries goods between countries. Oil tanker ship. Oil tanker ship. The oil tanker ship is full of fuel. Segway. Segway. She rides a Segway in the park for fun. Electric scooter. Electric scooter. He uses an electric scooter to go to school. Skateboard. Skateboard. The boy performs tricks on his skateboard. Roller skates. Roller skates. She enjoys wearing roller skates at the park. Snowmobile. Snowmobile. We rode a snowmobile in the snowy mountains. Cable car. Cable car. The cable car takes tourists up the hill. Road roller. Road roller. The road roller flattens the new road. Crane truck. Crane truck. The crane truck lifts heavy materials at the site. Fire engine ladder truck. Fire engine ladder truck. The fire engine ladder truck helps put out fires. Armored vehicle. Armored vehicle. The police use an armored vehicle for safety. Military tank. Military tank. The military tank moves across the battlefield. Warship. Warship. The warship sails to protect the coast. Golf cart. Golf cart. We used a golf cart to move around the course. Baby stroller. Baby stroller. She pushes the baby stroller in the park. Wheelchair. Wheelchair. He uses a wheelchair to move around easily. Rickshaw van. Rickshaw van. The rickshaw van carries passengers in the city. Delivery bike. Delivery bike. The delivery bike brings food to our home. Scooty. Scooty. She rides a scooty to school every day. Quad bike. Quad bike. We had fun riding a quad bike on the sand dunes.